In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert checkboxes into a Google form. This is a great way to allow your respondents to select multiple options, and it can be incredibly useful for surveys or quizzes where more than one answer may apply. Let's dive right into the process, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, head over to Google Forms. If you're already logged into your Google account, you can access Google Forms directly from your Google Apps. Once you're in, you'll either want to open an existing form you've been working on or start a new one. If you're working with an existing form, simply click on the form you'd like to edit. For our purposes today, we'll start with adding a new question. On the right-hand side of your Google form, you'll see a floating toolbar with several icons. Look for the plus button, which allows you to add a new question to your form. Go ahead and click that plus button, and it'll generate a new question field where you can customize your content. Next, you'll focus on the drop-down menu that appears beside your new question. This is where you select the type of question you're going to use. You'll notice there are multiple options like short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, and more. For today, you want to make sure you click on checkboxes. This option allows respondents to select more than one answer, which can be particularly handy when you're asking questions that require an array of answers or preferences. Now go ahead and type in your question. Think about what you want to ask in a way that clearly indicates respondents can choose multiple options. Once you've input your question, it's time to add the possible answers. Underneath the question box, you'll see individual fields where you can enter the answer options you want your respondents to pick from. Fill these out with the appropriate options you've planned for your question. At this point, you're just about done. You've successfully set up a checkbox question, and now respondents can choose multiple answers from the options you've provided. Remember, if you need to give them even more flexibility, you can add an other option where they can type in a custom answer if none of the provided choices fit their needs. This is all about providing your respondents with the flexibility they need to provide the most accurate and helpful responses. And there you have it. You've inserted a checkbox question into your Google form, giving your participants the ability to choose multiple answers. Keep these tips in mind for next time, as using checkboxes can greatly enhance the functionality of your form, encouraging more comprehensive feedback from your audience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials just like this one. Bye for now.